Okay, this video is for those that's in IDSY 1101 for mechatronics and ELCR 1005 in electronics. The school grades you on work ethics, and part of our instruction is supposed to be teaching you a little bit about work ethics, and we hear that from employers everywhere. You know, they have people come into their businesses ready to go to work, equipped from their knowledge at the college, but they don't bring along good work ethic, and that includes showing up to work, doing the right things in the workplace. So some of these work ethics are things that you've got to do in these courses are designed to get you thinking, to make you understand things from an employer's perspective, and also how it affects you as an employee in there. But it's only in these two courses, so if you're taking the entire electronics or taking the entire mechatronics, this is the only time you'll have to deal with work ethics. You should utilize these things throughout your coursework and at your employer, but you don't have to do these assignments except in this one course within your entire program. So if you're in IDSY 1101, you'll see work ethics here. And I'll go to ELCR 1005 and show you where it's at. It's virtually the same place, but just so you see it, here's work ethics here. Now, when you click into it, there's some instructions, but it's really simple. When you click on appearance, for instance, you got to do all 10 of these, by the way. But when you click on appearance, you can click on the appearance activities, and it's going to open a Word document. And what it does is it tells you the objectives and gives you a little bit about why appearance is important. Then it gives you a case study, a couple of them actually. Here's case study 1, here's case study 2. And it says complete one of the following. So you don't have to do both case studies, just one of them. So you got two choices. You can do case study 1, you can do case study 2. And you can either do it in Word format. So I can come in here and say File, New, Blank Document, paste this in, and I can answer these questions right here. And I could submit this inside of Blackboard. So let me just pretend I answered, and I'll put answer, and just put some text here, and put some text here, and put my text here, and put some text here. So now I'm going to save this. And I'm going to go to this PC, and I'm going to go to case study appearance. Try to spell it right. There we go. So when I'm ready to submit that, I just go right here to the Dropbox. Let me go show you that. Here's the case study activities. Here's the Dropbox. Now, I can write it right here. I can write submission, and I can type it in this little box right here, which is wide, but it's short. And you can make that bigger by going full screen, I think. But I like Word because it checks spelling and does all that stuff for us, too. So it's your option whether to write it inside of Blackboard or whether to make it an external document. I just typically work with an external document. So if I want to attach that external document, I just click Browse My Computer. And if it doesn't automatically take me to the location, I have to go there, hit Open, and hit Submit. And that's all there is to it. There are 10. You got to do one for each of those 10. But again, once you're done with that, you're done for the entire program. We used to do this via midterm. And the good thing is, for those of you that had midterm, this takes its place. We still have midterm in there. You'll automatically get 100 on your midterm. So that does take away one item from you by adding this. And again, it's only in a single course out of the entire program. So make sure you do those in each of these two courses if you're taking those. And we'll be good on work ethics. And hopefully you'll learn some things and apply them both here and in the workplace. Thanks.